Hi, I'm Dr. Priyank Patel. I'm a consultant spine surgeon, and today I'm going to talk about pillows. Two questions. One is what is the right kind of pillow, and two is how to use it. Well, there is only one way by which you are supposed to use a pillow. Hand me the pillow, I'll show you. First is pick a correct shape of the pillow. The shape of the pillow should be normal shaped. No funny shaped pillows, no orthopedic pillows, no special shaped pillows for your special neck support. A standard pillow. It should be soft, which means you should be able to turn it without any problem. And it should be fat enough that it supports your entire neck when you're lying down on your side. So imagine from your shoulder right up till the neck, the gap needs to filled in by the pillow. Now, there is a correct way of using a pillow. When you want to use a pillow, the idea is that you have to support your entire neck. What people do not understand that the neck does not end over here. The neck ends over here. So when you are using a pillow, make sure the pillow is supporting your head, neck, and part of shoulder. So in this way, your entire neck will be well supported. Now everyone has a habit of lying down on their sides. That is why you need to have a fat pillow which is fluffy, so that when you lie down on your side, your neck is well supported. Imagine if you have a thin pillow, you will be lying down like this throughout night, which causes a lot of compression or pressure here and pulling over here. That's why a fat fluffy pillow is important. There's a reason why I tell people not to get used to special orthopedic pillows, etc. Because what happens is they are made up of different shapes. You want the pillow to take the shape of your neck. You don't want to move your neck to adjust to the shape of the pillow. Plus, if you get used to such pillows, if you travel somewhere out where you don't have such pillows, it will be a big problem. That's why don't get used to funny pillows. Just get a standard, soft, fluffy, and fat pillow and use it correctly. Thank you.